𝗪𝗁𝗪𝗃 from iConceptPhones. Today we will have a look at Xiaomi's budget smartwatch, the Mi Watch Lite. I purchased it from AliExpress for only 41 euros. It just arrived in only 7 days to Germany. This is the global version of the Redmi watch. In comparison, the Mi Watch Lite has a built-in GPS. You can just go jogging without your smartphone. The design looks very similar to the Redmi watch. We got here a 1.4-inch TFT color display with a resolution of 320 to 320 pixels. The screen brightness is 350 nits. If we slide down, we come to the notifications center. Here we can see all our notifications which we had set earlier on the Xiaomi Wear app. We can delete the notification by just pressing the delete toggle. There is no toggle to delete all the notifications at the same time. Here we can see our steps from today. Because I didn't wear the Mi Watch Lite today, it just shows me only 70 steps. There is also the battery percentage. We've got 57% battery left. Here is the latest heart rate measurement. Also here we've got a weather widget. You can just customize this watch face by long pressing and tapping on the edit icon. You only need to tap on the widget you might want to change and choose another one. In this case, we change the steps by the calories widget. If you want to change the current watch face, just long press and swipe left or right to choose another one. You can also download new watch faces using the Xiaomi Wear app. There are up to 120 watch faces. You might want to check. I really like this watch face, showing the essential information. The sync of new watch face takes quite a long time.
Summer in the hills, those hazy days I do remember. We were running still, had the whole world at our feet.
If we slide up, we come to the quick settings. We've got 6 toggles including the flashlight, wake by turning the wrist, lock screen, do not disturb mode, screen brightness, and the settings toggle. I set up an automatic do not disturb mode from 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. There are several settings options here. We can choose the watch faces, we can set up the screen brightness, there is the do not disturb mode. You can set up turn the display on by wrist rotation. If we tap on the heart rate settings, we can choose the measurement time. I set it up to 1 minute. I also turned on the heart rate warning if my heart rate increases to 150 BPM and more. It warns me using the built-in vibration motor. There is also a no movement warning, automatic screen lock. Here I set the auto screen lock time to 15 seconds. There is also a sleep mode by holding our hand on at least 80% of the display, which I somehow didn't get it to work properly. Password lock, system settings like system language, Bluetooth reset. About the device, here you can find the Wi-Fi MAC address and that's it in the settings. We can slide through the widgets, which we can set up using the Xiaomi Wear app. I can see my burnt calories here. In this case it cannot show it due to that I didn't wear it today. I cannot slide down for more details. Even if I tap on the widget, it doesn't open the app where I would see more information. There is also the weather widget showing us 0 degrees Celsius in Germany. I really like the heart rate widget. I can just tap it and can instantly see my heart rate. Unfortunately, it doesn't have an SpO2 sensor. I can see my sleep monitoring here. It would show me my deep sleep time and much more. If we press the power button, we come to the main menu, showing all the installed apps on the Mi Watch Lite. Firstly, we have a quick look on the activity app. You can choose the sport mode, which you want to do, like walking or swimming. In the Activity Log app, we see all our activities. In the Trainings app, we can see an overview about our burnt calories, steps, and how long we stand. You can measure your heart rate using this app. Unfortunately, it doesn't have an SpO2 sensor. Here is the sleep monitoring app where you can see more details about your last sleep. For more details, you need to check the Xiaomi Wear app. This is the breathing app. You can just start some breathing exercises. If you use the Compass app for the first time, you need to calibrate the sensors. It just works fine. There's also an app for air pressure. I'm not quite sure if it has a built-in sensor for it. You can control the music playing on your phone by using this app. You can play, pause, go to previews or next title and control the volume. Here is the alarm clock app. I set up an alarm to 7:30 a.m. which I can easily switch on or off. You can use the stopwatch to measure time or rounds. My most appreciated app is the timer, which has pre-set up timers starting by 1, 2, 3 and 5 minutes. You can also customize these. The weather app shows only the current weather. You can check your notifications in this app, nothing special. You can find your phone if it has Bluetooth on. Talk app, Help app, you need to scan the barcode and it will most probably download a PDF file. Last but not least, the Settings app, which we had a look before. What about my impressions? Well, it has a great build quality, there are no sharp edges, the display has nice front edges, it feels great to use, the silicone strap has a good quality, I'm not allergic to it. The watch body is out of plastic, but for under $50 it's just fine. Furthermore, it has no NFC and Google Pay. You cannot pay with it, but that's not the use case of Xiaomi Mi Watch Lite. It's basically a bigger Mi Band 5 with a large 1.4-inch color display. It's great that it has built-in GPS in comparison to the Redmi watch, which doesn't have GPS. All in all, it's a great watch and one of the best budget watches out there, but I won't use this as my daily driver. I aim to buy the Xiaomi Watch Sport, which has a rounded aluminum body and an AMOLED display. It just looks more premium and features an SpO2 sensor. So thank you for watching my video, just subscribe my channel for more great videos and comment below if you will buy one or if you already bought one.